Hey everybody, in this video we are going to be talking about Fiverr, and we're going to talk about how it can help you to build your online business. See you on the inside. Hey everybody, Keith Bell here from Funnelosophy. Welcome back. And in this video, like I said in the intro, we're going to be talking about the Fiverr platform. Now this is going to be a general overview of Fiverr, but my hope is that I can show you how you can use Fiverr to help grow your business. There are a lot of things that you may not feel comfortable with. There's a lot of things that you need to learn how to do if you're going to succeed online. So why not outsource some of that so that you don't have to learn how to do every single solitary detail of your business. As the owner of your business, you need to be thinking about driving revenue to your business. If anyone here has taken Russell Brunson's One Funnel Away Challenge, Russell talks about, I'm not sure which training session it is, but he talks about how versus who, okay? How is the person that learns how to do everything, every little detail. And this is one of the biggest mistakes that new marketers make when they first get started in the business. They try to learn how to do every single aspect, and they try to do every single thing associated with their business, okay? The who are the people that have those specialized skills, like myself, okay? I design on the ClickFunnels platform for clients that I pick up on Fiverr, okay? So my skill is helping them to build their business. They don't have to know how to use the entire ClickFunnels platform. I build it all out for them. So we're going to go through a general overview of Fiverr. My intention in the future is to do some other videos on Fiverr, more specifically geared towards how to make money using Fiverr, how to become a freelancer on Fiverr. So with that said, let's switch over to my computer. But before we go, if you like what you see here, make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, smash that notification bell so that you can be notified of when I put new videos out. I try on a regular basis to put out stuff on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at around 3 o'clock. Okay, here we are inside my computer on my Fiverr dashboard, and we're just going to go through and do a basic overview of Fiverr. But before we start, I just want to talk to you a little bit about what Fiverr is. Fiverr is a platform for freelancers to sell their services online. And it originally started out when the creators of Fiverr started out, where all the gigs were just $5, and you'll still see, some gigs in here that are $5. But one of the things that I love about Fiverr is if there's something that you are not particularly skilled at, you can go in here and you can find somebody that's capable of, providing you that service. So let's just go through a little bit here of the dashboard. So when you sign up for Fiverr, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. And across the top here are some of the different sectors or areas of interest that they provide services for. But we're going to start off over here on the left with graphic design, and graphic design becomes important, especially when you're designing funnel pages, or I should say when you're designing funnels, that you can have somebody create different elements of your particular funnel. So here we've got things like logo design, brand style guides. Let's look here, business cards, stationery, illustration, tattoo designs. That's something new. If you're interested in getting a tattoo, storyboards, cartoons, you got gaming, you've got album cover, Photoshop editing, website mobile, architecture, 3D models, just a wide variety of stuff here. Digital marketing, SEO, marketing strategy, public relations, content marketing, video marketing, email marketing, crowdfunding, SEM surveys, web analytics, just a bunch of stuff in here. writing and translation, article, blog post. If you're not the best writer, you can get somebody to write your articles and blog posts for you. Translation, language lessons, proofreading, podcast writing, white papers, sales copy, research, ebooks. I mean, the gamut is there. Video and animation, whiteboard explainers, intros, outros, logo animation, game trailers. It's just unlimited, some of the stuff they have here. Music, voiceover, producers, composers, session musicians, programming and tech, website builder, WordPress, e-commerce, just amazing stuff here. Business, data entry, project management, consulting, lifestyle, fitness lessons, craft lessons. I mean, anything that you can imagine is in here. So let's look at some of the things that, so social media marketing. This is a big industry. And these are all people that provide service for businesses for managing their social media. So I'm just going to jump on one here and see. Here's I will create your monthly social media content. And this person, when you click and you open, you're going to see their basic gig is $550, and that includes 10 posts, design, copy, hashtag, research. Now looks like she's got 3 different levels of service here. Her standard package is $850, premium package is $1,800, and this person is a Fiverr Pro, which means they've gone through a certification process that is very rigorous. They're a new pro seller, but they have a gig description here, and then you'll see down here at the bottom some of the ratings. She's got a 5.0 rating, 8 reviews, and she's from the United States. So that's the Fiverr platform. If you're not comfortable with doing something in particular for your business, I would suggest looking at Fiverr to outsource it and make yourself more efficient. Worry about the revenue creation and leave the little detail things like building your funnel, like your graphics, your copywriting, and things like that to the freelancers. It just frees you up to do so much more. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching my video today. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that big thumbs up button, smash that subscribe button, smash that notification bell so you're notified of when I put out new videos. In the future, coming up next week, I'm going to have Tip Tuesday. This is going to be a new feature I'm going to have every Tuesday, which is going to be tips that will help you to use the ClickFunnels platforms much more efficiently. And what we're going to be talking about coming up this Tuesday is how to make your funnel pages look the best when they are on a cell phone. Most people, if you think about it, use their cell phone to look at things. So you want to make sure that your page not only looks good on desktop, but also looks good on a cell phone. So take care, see you soon, and keep funnel hacking.